In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report on duplicate records in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just starting out, knowing how to identify duplicate records is an invaluable skill that can save you time and keep your database clean. Let's dive into the steps to make your own duplicate records report. First, we'll start by going to the Setup menu. This is where you can configure and customize your Salesforce settings. Once you're in Setup, you're going to want to search for Record Types. This search will lead you to the section where we can begin creating a custom report type, specifically tailored to track duplicates. Now, you'll need to click on the option to create a new custom report type. This is a crucial step because a custom report type allows you to specify exactly which record relationships you want to focus on, offering a tailored insight into your data, which is more precise than what standard reports may offer. Once you've clicked on New Custom Report Type, it's time to fill in the details. Enter all necessary information, including a label and description for your report type. This ensures that you can easily identify and understand the purpose of the report type later. After filling out the details, don't forget to save your newly created report type. Saving it will lock in all your configurations and make it available for use in building actual reports. Next, navigate to the Reports tab. This is where you'll begin to construct your report. You'll want to start a new report, which will act as the shell for displaying your data findings. Now you need to select your custom report type from the list of options. This ensures that the report pulls data from the criteria you just defined, directing the focus onto detecting duplicate records. Once you've chosen your report type, you have the chance to add any filters you think necessary. Filters can help narrow down the data, so you only see relevant duplicates, cutting out any unrelated noise. Then move on to adding columns to your report. Each column represents a data point you'd like to track in your report, so consider what information will be crucial to identifying and handling duplicates. When you're ready, hit Run Report to see a preview of your results. This step is vital as it allows you to ensure your report is generating accurate and useful data. Finally, once you're satisfied with the preview, save the report with the name Duplicate Leads Report. Having a clear name helps you or anyone else on your team to quickly identify the report's purpose, easing future access and use of the data. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a report on duplicate records in Salesforce. Regularly monitoring these reports can significantly improve database management and maintain data integrity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Salesforce tutorials for more tips and tricks.